Welcome back to another video of A&A Driving School. Today we are going to cover another test route for Huddersfield Test Centre. Please follow. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for upcoming videos. And if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much for that. And please do share the video links with your family, friends and family members so that they can watch the videos. As we are going through the car park, I am going to turn right through the gates. Turning right, make sure to check both sides of the road. Clear, turn right. At the end of the car park, turn left. At the junction, I am going to turn right. Make sure to look both ways if it's safe to go or not. Look at the signboard, I have priority, so I continue with the drive. Approaching the pedestrian crossing, make sure you look both sides of the road if it's clear or not. Going down the hill, make sure to control the speed with your brake pedal. Now assess the situation, look for enough room for you to go through. If you have any doubt, guys, please do stop, don't continue. You only go through the gaps when you have enough room and when you are 100% sure that you can go through. This mini roundabout we are approaching, I'm going straight ahead. Approaching the second mini roundabout, we are going straight ahead. Check the right side, no car on the right, continue.